Important disclaimer, this is for entertainment and education only. Reversal patterns suggest a change in trend, but they are not guarantees. Trading involves risk. Always manage your risk carefully. Reversal patterns signal that the current market trend is likely exhausting itself and will soon reverse its direction. The most famous and reliable reversal pattern is the head and shoulders. The head and shoulders pattern signals the end of an uptrend and the start of a downtrend. It is comprised of four distinct parts. Part 1 and 3, the left and right shoulders. These are two price peaks that occur after a long uptrend, but fail to exceed the central peak. Part 2, the head. This is the highest and most prominent peak in the center of the pattern. It represents the point where the uptrend reaches its absolute maximum before failing. Part 4, the neckline. This is a support line drawn by connecting the low points that occur between the left shoulder and the head, and between the head and the right shoulder. This is the most crucial line. How to trade the pattern. The pattern is not confirmed until the price breaks decisively below the neckline. This is your primary entry signal for a short position. Setting your stop loss. Your stop loss should be placed safely above the high of the recently formed right shoulder. If the price reverses and breaks that level, the pattern is invalid. Setting your price target. The measured move or price target is determined by measuring the vertical distance from the peak of the head down to the neckline. You then project that exact distance downward from the point where the price broke the neckline. This provides your expected minimum target for the new downtrend. The inverse head and shoulders. This is the bullish version. It appears at the end of a downtrend, signaling a market bottom and a potential reversal into an uptrend. In the inverse pattern, the trade is entered when the price breaks above the neckline and the price target is measured upward. The head and shoulders is an advanced application of the basic SR and trendline tools you learned. Practice drawing and labeling these four parts. What other reversal patterns should we cover next? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Weather Finance and stay ahead of the trend changes.